This is could be a 320, early 520. This is the older version, and I've brought this up I don't know how many times in other videos anytime I show rim and that stuff, but new subscribers, nobody's going to go back or look at all those old ones unless they come across them kind of thing. Anyway, see how these spokes, these bumps, ribs, whatever, they're narrow and kind of more defined, more sharply defined. If you look at the newer rims, you'll see that there's actually this flat spot, this land is actually bigger, and it'll be a much wider rib coming down. So it comes out there and then it drops down. That's one way to tell just by looking at it. If it's got a tire mounted, you can't really check the width. But that's one way to tell that it's actually the older rim, is just looking and seeing if it's got these more sharply pronounced ribs on it. Okay? And it is 4 inches between the beads. Okay, so this is a 4-inch wide rim. If there's markings on it, I'm not seeing any. Another way to tell, if you can look at the backside, is the rivets. The newer rims are welded. They don't have rivets and that stuff. So I don't remember exactly when they changed from the rivets, but they definitely did change. So this center would actually, I don't know why anybody would do this, this center would actually lend itself well to cutting out the rivets and pulling this spider out, putting a better hoop, a wider hoop on it, and keeping the older rim. Now the problem is that the way these are shaped in here, that's what causes all the clearance issue with disc brakes and stuff like that. These are the hardest rims to put disc brakes in because of these. So there's other 14-inch styles that aren't made quite like this. Later model 16-inch or 620 rims are still 14-inch, but they're shaped different and they don't have any problem clearing disc brake options and stuff like that. But these certainly do. Anyway, the whole point of pulling this in was just simply to do this. Oh yeah, look at that. And I even have it just a hair on the loose side, which is fine because it's conical lug nut seats. So this one's, it's all lug centric, not hub centric.